In this question, we are asked to find the number of points. Even though we can find out the exact position of those intersection points, but this time we just focus on how many. Is that 2, 1, or 0? So the first stage is still the same. We consider a point of intersection. It's fulfilled the first requirement, x minus y minus 2 equals 0. At the same time, it's fulfilled the circle requirement at the intercept point. We don't want two different unknowns, so we try to modify the first equation, make one be the subjects. From the straight line equation, x minus y minus 2 equals 0. It's your own option to choose whether you make x be the subject or y be the subject. The answer will be the same. So for example, I make x be the subject. Now I'm going to substitute this relation into another equations. From x squared plus y squared equal to 10. I don't want x here, and then I try to change it, express it in terms of y, because they are the same. And then we find y squared plus 4y plus 4. And then plus y squared equal to 10. No matter we are finding the exact position of the intercept point or we are finding the number, we are going to tidy up in form of ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then we can apply delta because delta is designed to handle this format only. So it's 2y squared plus 4y plus 4 minus 10 equal to 0. That means 2y squared plus 4y minus 6 equal to 0. X or y is just represent any variable here, so these are basically the same. In this case, we are going to consider the number of roots of these quadratic equations. That's why we stop evaluate this equation, but we consider another thing. Consider an indicator which is delta is equal to b squared minus 4ac. In this question, a equal to 2, b equal to positive 4, c equal to negative 6. So we just substitute those numbers. b is 4, a is 2, c is negative 6. We get 16 and then plus 48, which is equal to 64. And this is larger than 0, which implies that we have two roots in this quadratic equation. Therefore, that means if you calculate the result, there will be two different values of y. That means 2 points of intersection in this case. Then we make our conclusion. Therefore, 2 points of intersection.